In addition, we have some non-COVID news. Peanut allergies, as we know, one of the most common ones. One of the treatments, or a treatment rather, was approved earlier this year, just before the lockdown. And so what we saw was this one company, Aimmune, that has been working on getting approval for a number of years, had a stake in it from Nestle Health, got a chance to finally get that on the market. But just as medical offices were closing down, take a listen to CEO Jayson Dallas and what he had to say about the progress since then.
What we saw through March and April was essentially a very big slowdown in allergists even being open. The truth, though, is that about 80% of allergy is practiced out in the community and community practices rather than in hospitals. And what we've seen since the end of May is these allergy practices open up again. They're figuring out how to see their patients and how to do their work within the context of the coronavirus. And things are slowly starting to return back to normal, if you like, for healthcare, maybe not quite at the cadence or at the throughput that you would have seen before.
So as you can hear, things are starting to pick back up as we start to see offices reopen. Nestle, again, initially had a stake in the company and then has now converted that into an acquisition of about $2.5 billion. And so that's something that is certainly going to be interesting to watch, as we know deals have been sort of on and off throughout this pandemic.